In Cognos, it is possible to create a special copy of a report. That copy will always be a perfect reflection of the original report, but we will be able to create two distinctions in that copy. First one is that we will be able to create a different schedule, and second one, we will be able to define different default values for prompts. Here I have one report with the name report view, and if we go here to action menu and then to properties, then to schedule, we will see that this report is scheduled for 1st of month. Also, if we go here to report, we can go to set values and we can define default value for a prompt. I will, for example, define value 1. I will click on finish. Then I will click here on save, and then I will click on close. And now if we run this report, we will see that this default value is 1. I will now click here on cancel, and then we will create that special copy. That special copy is called report view, and we create that copy by clicking on the action menu and then on create report view. And now we have a choice to decide what will be the name of that report view and where to place that report view. I will just accept these default values. I will click on save, and now we have that copy here in the same folder as original report, and we have that default name. If we now go here on action menu for this report view and then to properties, we will see in schedule that there is no schedule, so we can create different schedule. I will click on create schedule, and I will choose, for example, that this report should be created on each Monday, that is on each week. So I will click on save. Now we have a schedule, and again I can go here to report, and default value is still 1, but we can change that. If we go to edit values, instead of 1 I will choose the value, let's say 3. I will click on finish, I will click on save, and then I will click on close. And if we now run this report view, default value will be 3. I will click on cancel, while in original report, if we click on it, default value will still be 1. Now, what will happen if we change the name and location of this original report? I will go here to 3 dots and then to edit name and description, and I will just change name of this report to report view 2. I will save that, and then I will move this report to this folder. I will change its location, so I will click here, I will go on copy or move to, I will select new folder, and I will choose move. And if we now click on report view will still be working. I will click on cancel, and even more, if we go here on 3 dots, then on properties, then on general, here below we have a link of the original file. So here we can always see what is original file and where is its location. Now, if we want to change something in report, we cannot go to report view. Here in action menu, we don't have edit option, so we always have to change this original report. We have to go here, and then we will click on edit report. There is one more way how we can create a report view. I will go here to new folder, to our original report. I will run it, and then I will select some value here. I will, for example, select 5. I will click on finish. So we are looking at our report, and our edit option is turned off. Now we can go here to save options, and we can choose save as report view. So I will save this. I will place it beside this first report view. So I will save it here. I will close this report view now. And if I go here to my content, I can see both of report views. But for this second report view, if we go here to 3 dots and then to properties and then to report, we will see that default value is 5. And that is that value that we have chosen in the prompt before executing our report. So this is how we can define a default value for prompt and create a new report view at the same time. I want to show you one more thing. We will go here to original report, and we know that we have set default value for a prompt to be 1, but we have that another place where we can change that default value. If we go here to 3 dots and then to edit report, if we then go to prompt page, we select our prompt, we know that here we have a property where we can define default value. And I will use this property. I will go here, I will click on 3 dots, I will click on plus, and I will give default value 2. And then I will click on OK, and then on OK. So we have, on one place we have defined 1 as a default value, but here default value is 2. So which one is valid? Well, we will know that when we click on save. So I will click on save, and now we have a dialog that says whether we should still use that other value, that value 1 that is defined inside the properties pane, and we can say no. In that case, 2 will be a new default value. If we say yes, in that case default value 1 will be still default value. And so I will click on no. I want to change default value in properties pane, so I will not keep it. So I will click on no. I will close this report, and then I will go here to see what is now our default value. I will go here to report, and it says there are currently no values. But if we click on set values, we will see that default value is 2. This is because that default value is now pulled from the definition of report and not from the properties pane itself.